just got this new Mac. It's like a 2021 M1 16 GB RAM. I'm excited, so I'm just getting it set up for my dev environment. First thing I'm gonna do is I've already updated it, and now I'm going to install Homebrew. So I found this nice little tutorial here that I'm gonna follow. I've already got my terminal open, and let's go to Google. Let's go to the Homebrew website here, and first thing that we'll do is actually, let's see this tutorial. What's it say do first? Oh, so I already have Homebrew installed. So if I type in Homebrew, I've got all this. But if you do not have Homebrew installed, you'll see ZSH command not found brew. And there should be no Homebrew files in your user local bin, or opt Homebrew for Apple Silicon, and you can check by running this ls command here, and if I run it, I obviously will get a return. Alright, so to install Homebrew, what we'll do is we'll go over here to the Homebrew website. We'll click on, I'll copy this here, and I'll paste it in my terminal. Hit enter. I gotta enter my password. And it's gonna say it wants to install those. So again, I already have it installed. It took me about, what was it, like 20 to 40 minutes or something to install it. And I had to enter my password a couple times. Since I was installing it from scratch, I had to install like some tools like Xcode. Alright. Now, since it's installing, really the last part that I want to show you is if you see on the screen down here. So yeah, it says successful for me. But what you're going to want to look for, and what's not showing up in my terminal, and the reason I pulled up this tutorial is because I want you to see where it says next steps. Down here in the terminal, it says add Homebrew to your path. So don't gloss over that. What you're going to do is you're going to see where it says echo, eval, and that whole line of text, and then the next line of text below it where it says the eval. You're going to copy these two lines right here, underneath where it says add Homebrew to your path right here, and above where it says run Homebrew help. So you're going to copy those. I'm trying to circle with my mouse here. You're going to copy these, and you're going to paste it into your terminal. So for me, mine's looked like this, because as you can see here in my terminal, it's tailored to like my name, the name of my computer, right? So it's users Jonathan. Yours is going to be users whatever your username is. And like I said, you're going to paste that in there, press enter, and then you'll be good to go. And we'll be on to the next video. Good luck.